In this video, we will show you how to custom configuration on Windows SandBox. With the custom configuration on Windows SandBox, we can configure about share audio, share printer, or sharing folder. With this customization, we can easily to share any folder from the host into the Windows SandBox. How to do that? First, I will show you the default Windows SandBox on my computers. This is my default Windows SandBox on my computer. You can see I will share the folder from the host into the Windows SandBox, but in my default Windows SandBox is cannot share the file with easily. You can see here. This is my Windows SandBox from the default. If I click downloads, this folder is empty. And this is my customization of Windows SandBox. I call the Windows SandBox is with where data. If I double click this file, it will open my Windows SandBox with the customization one. Okay, it automatically share the folder that I choose on host into the Windows SandBox. You can see this is automatically share the folder from the host that I choose. And it's very helpful if you want to test application on Windows SandBox, then it automatically share the file. Okay, how to custom your Windows SandBox? First, in here, you need to turn off this, and you can open the Notepad application. Okay, open the Notepad on your Windows host. You can try to find Notepad like this. Okay, you can also using Notepad++ if you have, but in here, for the easiest way, I just using the Notepad because this is the default application from the Windows. And you can paste this script. I will put this script, the link in pinned comment, so you can just go to there. Okay, this is for the configuration. We will enable virtual GPU to make Windows SandBox faster, and we will also enable the networking, so our Windows SandBox can access internet. You can also disable this if you don't want. And this is our customization about sharing folder. You can see the host folder is pointing into your folder on your host. In my case, this is in the E and the share folder. Okay, you can see there. Then you can pointing folder into your folder on the SandBox. On Windows SandBox, this folder will automatically create it. If you choose a folder but doesn't exist, the Windows SandBox will create temporary one for you. Okay, then the folder is read-only access. I setting to false because I want to writable. Sometimes I need to create a file or modify the files, so you can make the read-only into the false. And for the logon command, make the Windows SandBox will open our pointing folder here. The Windows SandBox will automatically open here after startup. It will auto pointing into this folder. And you can save this file like this, for example, with anything, the name you want, but select this to all files. For example, weirddatacom.vsp. Make sure the extension is .vsp, and you can save as type as all files if you're using Notepad application. Then you can click save. I put on the desktop, for example, and this is the new one. You can see if I double click here, you will see the Windows SandBox will open the pointing folder. Just wait. Okay, voila. And it can writable. You can create new folder, for example, I will create text document with mm, this is just test, and you can open on your host. Okay, this is on your host, and open share folder. Okay, you can see here, this is just test. If you want to edit to make read only, you can also doing that. Okay, I will shut down the PC on Windows SandBox, and you can reopen this file, open with, and select Notepad++ or select another application, and we will open using Notepad just once, and you can set read only to true if you don't want the Windows SandBox using writable action on your host. That's all tutorial how to custom Windows SandBox to easiest sharing. Hope this video helpful for you.